Hi everybody, this is Che of Undertone HMUA. For today's client, this is Fiona. She is my childhood friend's daughter. I'll be doing her makeup for her graduation pictorial today. She requested a natural, pinkish, sort of Korean makeup. So I started with skin prep as per usual. I applied lip balm, eye cream, and moisturizer. And now I am applying the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Then I proceeded to her eyebrows by using brow soap. I'm just brushing up the brow hairs and sort of established the initial shape. Here I am applying concealer all over her eyelids and slightly setting it with powder. Just making sure that there are no creases, as this will serve as my primer before putting eyeshadow. Here I am using the Natasha Denona Mini Biba palette. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm just blending the lightest matte shade in the palette all over her eyelids. And then I realized that it's more of a peachy color rather than pink. So I put a light wash of pink from the Get Ready With Me blush palette. And I'll be using this as a blush later to sort of tie the look together. Now I am using a dark brown eyeliner to create a wing. Now I am slightly smoking out the eyeliner with the darkest eyeshadow from the palette that I'm using. Using a smaller eyeshadow brush, I am applying a slightly darker eyeshadow in the outer V. Using a flat synthetic eyeshadow brush, I'm applying the shimmer shade from the palette on her eyelids, creating a soft cut crease. Now I am applying foundation. I used the Dior Backstage Foundation, shade 3WO and 2N combined to get the perfect shade. For the concealer, I used Pat McGrath in the shade LM8. Then I put a tiny amount of Get Ready With Me Milk Tint to get a lighter shade. For the cream contour, I used the Vice Cosmetics Multiganda Contour Sticks in the shade Push. I really like this product. It's blendable and I think it's the perfect shade for light to medium skin tone. For the blush, I used the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Happy, and then I combined it with Paul Unating's liquid blush, the pinkish one, I forgot the shade. After applying all the liquid and cream products, we can now proceed to powder. I set the under eyes with Pat McGrath setting powder, and then all over the face I used the MAC Studio Fix powder. After setting the face with powder, this is the time where I finish the eye makeup. Now I'm applying bronzer using the Benefit Hoola Bronzing Powder. For the lips, I used Pat McGrath lip liner in the shade Starstruck and MAC lipstick in the shade Mehr. I think I also added a gloss, and after all the finishing touches, here is the final look.